Watch. Wait. Let me close the door. Yep, transmission malfunction, no reverse. You can continue driving. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Somebody was pissing. I think that guy was leaking his antifreeze or coolant or something. But everything looks to be good, guys. No leaks. Then that oil swapped out is a little brown. A fresh oil change. Intake still looking pretty good. It's a little dirty, the filter. But overall, everything's looking good. Looking good. What's going on, world? It's currently the next day now. It is actually 5 a.m. Friday, June 12th, aka my birthday. Yay! Thank you. We're about to head out right now. I'm about to go ahead and see I'm about to head out to go see my birth giver for the weekend. And let's go, guys. About to go pack up the whip, put everything in the car, and dip out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, the sun's not even up yet, guys. But I'm about to make this nice little drive. It's about like, what, 4 hours, I guess. But let's get a little cold start, because I just got the X-Pipe put on yesterday. So I wonder how it sounds like a cold start. I don't want to rev it because I don't want to wake up my neighbors and stuff. I'm not trying to be that guy. I don't want to be an asshole also. So I'll try to be polite, you know what I'm saying? And it's real early, so people probably sleeping and shit. I don't want them to hate me, man. It's starting to look nice. It's supposed to be nice out today.
A few moments later.
What's going on, guys? So yeah, I am currently on the side. Well, not really on the side of the road here. I took an exit. I pulled over to exit. Let me see, try and get this to focus. I pulled over to an exit because I got the transmission malfunction on the S4. I don't know why it's happening. The car seems fine and it's shifting fine and it's been fine. I don't know why out of nowhere it just acted up now and gave me the transmission malfunction or whatever. And supposedly these newer ones supposed to be a little bit more bulletproof too. So I don't know why it's doing that right now. And I tried to clear the code. It cleared earlier, but right now it's not clearing. I just tried to do the transmission reset. Hopefully that will kind of fix it or whatever, but we'll see what happened, man. We'll see what happened, guys. So just 2 months in of me having a car and I have a transmission malfunction, no reverse gear. I'm running on first, third, fifth, and seventh gear. Like, it's skipping. First gear, it jumps to third, and then fifth, and then seventh, bro. Like, so imagine what type of speed it picks up. So I am at AUdi of Wilmington right now with the baby and Tiffany, of course. But yes, long story short, I was on my way down to Philly, and guess what happened? We got the transmission malfunction. I have no reverse. I have my scan tool. I scanned it, and it gave me a code P2841, and it shows that it could be updated. It shows something could be wrong with the mechatronic unit, which I hope is not the mechatronic unit. But I am at AUdi right now. I was only like 30 minutes, 45 minutes away from Philadelphia, but I have to stop by AUdi here because of the damn mech unit. But let's just hope that it's not the mech unit, guys. I hope it's something lighter than that. But it's something to keep in mind. Like, I guess 2014, 2015 can happen too. So once I figure out what happened, I'll let you guys know. But this is crazy, man. It's my birthday today. It's ridiculous, man. It just sucks to have the baby with me. I'm glad nothing happened though. I'll still be able to drive. I just didn't have reverse, and the gears would just jump. So those of you who know DSG issues would know what I'm talking about. But alright guys, so I just made it back home, man. Like I just wasted the whole day driving on the road. We drove to Philadelphia, got halfway there, and then damn malfunction shit. Took it to Audi down there. They couldn't do shit because a lot of y'all Audi reps don't know what the hell you guys talking about. Let me show you what's the infamous issue that we're dealing with here. Ready? Ready? Watch. Wait. Let me close the door. Yep, transmission malfunction, no reverse. You can continue driving. Audi, how are we gonna drive a car and not be able to reverse?
You suck.
Whoa, I don't know what you guys do, but there's a solution for this. There's a fix, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that fix. I'm gonna take it to the shop one of these days here. Well, I knew about this car having this type of issue, but I didn't know that it applies to 2013 and 14. Well, I kind of had an idea that it might have, but in my idea, these 2013 and 14 and up have the Gen 2 transmission. So I'm assuming, okay, so they have a new updated Gen 2 transmission. It should be a lot better, and it shouldn't give no issues or whatnot. But hey, now you know. It happened to me during the road, and I have my kid with me too. Like that's just difficult. But I'm glad I was able to drive home. But I'm home now, so that's all that matters, and we're safe. I'm gonna grab a rental tomorrow and head back down there because I'm trying to see my mom and some friends and stuff down there. My birthday weekend ain't over yet, you know. One little setback ain't gonna hold me back. And once I come back home, I'm gonna bring this into the damn shop. We're gonna tear the damn trans apart. The newer B8.5 or B8.5 S5s or whatever having this transmission malfunction. I don't know if I'm the only one. I might be bad luck, and I might be that 1 or 2%. I don't know, but definitely do your transmission service and keep an eye on your transmission service, man. And for the people, save up your money because you might never know when you might have to do this damn transmission malfunction mech unit bullshit.